Okay, hey juniors. All right, so we're going to look really quick. We're almost finished with orientation. One last thing, this is the roadmap to your junior quarter. So this is going to be called your checkoff, okay? So this is before tab number 1, and it is this sheet that looks just like this, okay? So it's going to have all of your assignments, due dates, what tests we're going to be taking that week, what quizzes we may have, and what we're covering. So let's just go over really quick your assignments. SPS is done in the computer lab. You cannot do this at home. This you must receive greater than 80%. SPS will be included on your tests on Mondays. Okay, so even though they're not due until Tuesday, they will be included in your test on Monday. So make sure that you answer your SPS questions and apply them, because these will be coming back in your tests each week. You'll typically have around 10 questions, so it does affect your grade pretty good if you just decide completely not to do it. So SPS is located in the computer lab for you guys to work on Wednesday afternoons or this afternoon. Tuesday afternoons, the computer lab will be open. Also, I know you guys have time in the morning to work a little bit in the computer lab. So next, Pegasus. These are case studies that are really interesting and very applicable to you guys. It'll just reinforce looking at echoes and looking at interesting cases. So it's not an overwhelming amount of homework when it comes to Pegasus. This is the information. So if you turn to tab number 2, the first sheet is this right here. It has blanks and it has a summary here to the left. So make sure that you fill out your summary in order to receive credit. This is to be done in the computer lab. Just make sure it's completed. I will be checking this on Tuesday afternoon. All right, so click to learns. This is located in registerreview.com with your username and password. So you will go to the website, log in with your username, password, and then you will go under practice exams and your click to learns will come up. So the first 2 weeks you don't have anything due, so go ahead, try and do that. If you have questions about it, I can get with you if for some reason it's not working. And then, so it has Scan Lab week 2, what are we going to be doing? So Scan Lab week 2, you're going to have a quiz on Monday. So just go through. This can give you a lot of peace because it tells you exactly what we're going to be doing. Okay. Also, if you have any questions about the junior schedule, you will have physics Monday and Wednesday mornings, and you will have Echo Scan Lab with me Monday and Tuesday morning, and then we will have Monday afternoon your register review test, and then Tuesday afternoon we will have class. Okay, so just a little discussion about Tuesday afternoon's class. You are to come to class prepared. This is not a lecture class per se. You're supposed to come to class with questions. I answer them. Up until about week 7, I'm going to be covering a lot of the material in the binder and explaining the binder information, teaching that, and then just kind of going through. Sometimes there'll be really pertinent information I need to go through, and I feel like I need to explain a little bit more of that's in your register review material, but this is not a lecture course, so please don't expect there to be a PowerPoint. This is for you to come with questions. I come to answer your questions or explain information. So this class is much like a graduate level class where we kind of feed off each other. You ask me questions, I give you answers, and we can really make the class awesome, dynamic, and fun if everybody's working, participating, and doing their assignments. So, so please ask questions in class, even though I know you can't today. All right, so if you have any questions, one thing, please look through your checkoff sheet. There's a few things that are highlighted, such as your midterm is week 7, okay? Also, turn to week 9. So your click to learns, which is color coded in red, these are, you know, from week to week, sometimes you'll just have like 44 questions. Not bad, right? Well, week 9, you're gonna have a 574 question click to learn. I know it's a lot, okay? Start ahead of time. You have to complete this. It's 4 points, okay? It's 4 points. In order to get all of your homework credit, you have to complete this on time, okay? And then also week 12, it has information about the finals. So you will have, let's just go over that really quickly and then we'll be done. So you will retake your final written mock registry, which is the exact same test you took yesterday. It is a pass-fail. You must make above a 60%. You will also take a computer test downstairs, week 12, and you must make above a 70%, okay? And then you will also have a scan final. Your scan final will be worth 200 points. And then you will take 100 points with the, will be the scan, the actual scan. You will be assigned a random eval, one of the evaluations that we learned this quarter. So that will consist of 100 points of your scan final. The other 100 points is knowing all of your numbers from freshman and cardiac. It builds. I'm telling you, it builds. So this will be worth 50% of your scan final. So you have to know your numbers, okay? It's going to be a 50 question test that I will come in with a written exam and I will ask you every single number and you have to respond. So it's either you know the information or you don't, okay? So, so that is what our final week will look like. So this concludes orientation. Good luck, you guys. Have an awesome week. I will see you on Monday, and it's going to be an awesome quarter. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys.